Hello there, my tools. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new tuning in, welcome. So glad that you decided to check out today's video. So this is just a continuation of what I got for Christmas series. So today I'm doing an initial review or a super short review of the generic brand scrub free bathroom cleaner. You guys, I have 3 of these. These were gifted to me for Christmas, which I absolutely love. I can tell that the gifter most likely got this from the Dollar Tree. It was $1.25. Of course, you guys know taxes will apply. It said that there's 20% extra in this in this can. The objective of this product is to help with quick and easy cleanup of bathtubs, showers, including towels, chrome fixtures, and other bathroom surfaces. I can't remember the size of the can, you guys. I think a 20 floral ounce. Don't quote me, but I think that's what it was. All 3 of these products are good for bathroom use. So as you guys can see here on my countertop, which is very old, this is roughly about a 2014 home that I'm in, so everything in here is old. I did get some makeup on the countertop. FYI, you guys, this is an aerosol product. It is in a can. I typically don't go with aerosol if I'm buying my own products because I'm just big into the, into the earth and protecting the earth and the ozone layer and things of that nature. But because this is gifted to me, I am going to use it. So I'm going in and I'm applying the product directly on those areas where I got makeup. I have been using this a while, but typically when I use this product, I use it with a scrub brush. But because it says it's no scrub, that's why I'm using my bathroom rag, cleaning rag. I'm old school, so I do have a bathroom rag that I only use to clean certain surfaces with. So because it did not get the product off, I had to follow it with my typical products I would usually use that don't require no scrub to get the makeup off, and voila, it was gone. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to move right along. So I'm going to try the other can, and I think the scent of this one is supposed to be Blue Velvet. And just FYI, you guys, it has a strong chemical smell. In my personal opinion, it does not smell spring fresh, velvety fresh, none of that. So just FYI. Now this particular one is like the high-end cleaners that goes on purple, and when it turns white, it lets you know that it's time for you to clean the product off the surface. So as you guys can see here, the purple is slowly turning into white. A few minutes later, still turning purple to white. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to go ahead and clean off the surface. So it does really well on the chrome. It also did okay on the countertop, but FYI, I had already cleaned the countertop with my Old Faithful. Anyway, I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you tubes in the next one. Smooches.